back to my channel, Messy Latte.
Okay, no, that's not your channel.
Yes.
This is my channel.
Right.
Yeah. That was my sister.
By the way, these are our backup accounts because Anya can explain to you why she got suspended.
Yeah, okay, so my account, which does not look like this, looks like, just looks like that, I don't know, it's just doing that. Anyways, I got suspended from doing random videos like that, and I'm guessing I accidentally said something bad or whatever, because I got suspended.
By the way, guys, I'm not suspended, I'm a good girl.
Excuse me? And anyways, if you don't want your hamster to dance, just click on it, and it stops dancing. Because the hamster has a very weird dance. It's stupid.
Okay, never mind. I'll stay like this.
Okay.
What shall we do? Oh.
Well, anyways, this is our fourth time recording this because people keep walking in on us.
It's super annoying.
Yeah.
Especially
Yes.
with this iPad on 10. So loud.
Anyways, we're going to be doing random stuff. So yeah, let's go to the. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm taking a picture because it looks so cute. You see, like this looks really
Oh, hey, real cool.
Why are we sitting? Are we sitting now?
Okay, go to her then.
Who's then?
Real cool.
Local. She changed her portal. It was a heart portal last time. Hi, I'm Soccer. And
Anyways, this is a buddy. Real cool. Oh, Ola.
by the way, I saved her life. Just saying.
Yeah, totally. Yes, I think she knows that.
Well, I'm just making sure, okay? Because my name is a lot different, but it is more kawaii. Get it? My name's Kawaii.
I know you, bestie. Yeah. They are best friends, apparently. My best friend. I never see them on anymore.
It's them, the tuxedo
They were on
person.
Today, apparently. Oh, yeah, and the tuxedo person. Tux.
Oh, by the way, the tuxedo person has a YouTube channel too.
Yeah, subscribe to her.
Yeah, subscribe to her.
Tux.
Ow!
Okay, and then there's also like kitten, I think. I don't know, something like that.
Anya, dance. We're having a dance party.
Oh, okay, wait, what did they say?
So. She said dance
Dance party.
I said totally. Dance party.
I really want to go to the Atlantis party, but I don't have an underwater animal.
Me either, but I only have 101 coins, so.
I have 334. Plus 500 does not equal 1,000, so apparently we're not going. Anyways, ooh, look at that. It's even more lit.
Whoa.
It's a lit dance party now.
We gotta dance again.
Dance.
So.
Stop
kawaii.
dancing,
I'm
hamster.
gonna say so kawaii.
Yeah.
So kawaii. I think she wasn't England because she calls soccer.
Oh, wait, I almost deleted you from my buddy list.
Me?
Yeah.
Excuse me?
I'm sorry, I'm just deleting.
How much buddies do you have?
Well, I'm deleting people. Wait, who's this?
On my backup, I only have 8.
Okay, wait.
Non-members can only have 200 buddies, but members
Guys,
can have
please block this person. This person's a scammer.
What's her name?
Wild Dog with 2 L's. Well, it's Bill Dog 877. The only reason why she was my buddy is because I was going to tell her and she never went on anymore.
This person?
That's you. No. No, it's not 2 D's. It's Bill.
Will Dog. Like that?
877. And yeah. She wanted me to tell her my password. And yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a trip to using the summer carnival? Sure, that could be our video today. We're going to the summer carnival. Why did I stop dancing? Oh yeah, I'm recording. Are you okay with being in the bed? Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the summer carnival.
We're following you.
Yeah, we're following her.
Yeah, I mean not you, her.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yay, I got 500 free tickets.
I've already been here, so.
What game is fun?
This is my favorite.
I'm getting cotton candy.
Phantom Ball is my favorite game. I'm playing
I'm getting
Phantom Ball.
cotton
Pow,
candy.
pow! Oh my gosh, I got 100. I'm so good at this game, guys. Let's go to 100. Come on, go higher. Wait, I got this 100.
Okay,
Got this 100.
what are you doing?
Phantom Ball. It's my favorite.
Is this Phantom Ball?
It's like
I'm guessing
skee
this
ball.
is.
It's skee ball, but Phantom Ball. Get it? Huh? I know.
So
it's
funny.
So funny.
Hey, I got 300.
I almost got 300. Last time when I was on my member account into the
Hey, I got 300 again.
I got 177 tickets.
Oh, I didn't get 300. Hey, I got 250.
Hey,
I'm
no
so
one cares
cool.
on you. You're being annoying.
Hey, I got 300 again.
Hey, I got 100.
Hey, I got 250
Hey, I got
again.
250 again. Hey, I got 250.
Hey, I got 10. I did not
Hey,
mean to do it.
I got
Though.
100. Are we saying hey now?
Hey!
I got 100. Hey, I got 100.
Oh, I got
No, I didn't.
No, I'm not doing so good.
Hey, I got 250. I wonder where her local is. I don't know. I'm just gonna call her Lolo.
Well, I only got 114. I should have gotten 1,540. How do you?
114. I got 99. I'm playing again. This game is not rigged. I was about to say rigged, but it's not rigged.
Okay, if I wanted to 200.
I've gotten every single one so far. That was whole time. Right there.
I don't want to do it. Oh, dang.
Right there. Go. Oh, come on, 300. You're telling me. Go on. Oh, so close again.
I got 97.
I got one.
Wait, it costs money to play these games?
Yeah, 5 guns.
Oh, that sucks.
Okay, I'm done playing that.
I mean, it would be fine on a MLP account because I have a lot of money there, but I don't have a lot of money in this account. Dang it!
I found her.
That was.
Oh my gosh, I have 1,242 tickets. How did I get that?
Oh my gosh. Ah.
How did I get that much? I get stuffed animals. Oh my god, I always wanted to get stuffed animals. I'm so happy.
Okay, I'm doing really bad right now.
What animal should I
Oof. I got 38 tickets. No, I don't want to play again, actually.
Oh my gosh, this double plushie is so cute.
I have 749. I have so much.
I have 493 now because I just bought this.
Wait, why are these all members? I don't want these to be all members. I like that. Hey, there's a star hat. Do these become big? Why can't I see myself? Okay, well, that's glitching. A pineapple. There's pizza. There's umbrella. There's a sun hat. There's a moon hat, which doesn't show up either. Oh, I wish I said that.
How do you make the phantom? I did it before, but I forgot.
It's black, white, and then black.
Do I fill it all the way up with
Yeah.
black? Then white?
Yeah, and then fill it all the way up with white. Oh, I can get these things.
Then fill it all the way up with black?
Again, yeah. Let's see here.
Boom!
Where's the stuffed animals? Are they in here?
Oh, no. They're over here by Black Phantom.
What's Black Phantom?
Where I am. The cotton candy place. It's right behind the cotton candy.
Oh, okay.
Where are you? Found found you.
Oh, so it is back here. Oh, here it is. Okay.
Yeah, I told you. It's behind the cotton candy.
Oh, I want the giant shark plushie.
Do you have that much though?
Oh, wait, the members.
That is
Oh, I'm
so
running away from getting these plushies.
silly. I already
I'm
got
so
one.
mad. I need one more. Can I do this game? Is this game?
Whack a Phantom.
No. Candy catcher
I
thing.
hate that game.
Why is it going so fast? There's too much candy. No, I don't want phantoms. Phantoms are disgusting. Why would we eat phantoms?
Okay,
No one wants to eat phantoms.
I'm just leaving now.
I bet phantoms taste disgusting.
I'm going to low
Hey,
cool Ola dance. Why does this keep changing? It was green. It was a heart one. Now it's green. Oh my gosh, that's creepy.
I'm doing so
Who
good.
has a statue of themselves?
What?
That's weird.
People can. Oh, that's just like the mascot thing. Oh no, I'm doing bad.
That's
No.
creepy.
Hey, I got 57 gems. I didn't mean to press play again. I want a stuffed animal. Which one? I like the spider, but the spider doesn't look like a spider.
I got the dolphin. It's really
I like the
cute.
shark. Let me just look at the others. Yeah, the shark's the best. The giant shark's the best, but oh, you can change the color. I want. You know what? This will match my like this corner of my den.
Where'd she go? I'm trying to follow you. Cool. Come on.
I love you, my shark plushie. You know what? You're my favorite. That reminds me. I really want.
My scarf. Oh, there you are. Found you.
I want to do plushie stuff. Let's go to this thing.
What thing?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
And I'm gonna just get a bunch of plushies. Oh, plushies.
No, wrong place.
Hey, I got a plushie my first try. Hey, aha! Crocodile plushie. No, I didn't get anything. No, follow me.
Okay, no, I'm following her.
Okay.
She's cooler than you because she even has it in her little.
Well, no, I'm messy latte cool guy.
That's not you're not even a guy.
Cool girl.
Stop acting like you're a girl. I mean a guy.
What?
You are a girl. Let's get.
I'm not getting any plushies. I want plushies.
Wait.
Just give me some plushies.
What? Are you getting a pocket?
Hey,
You like your coffee machine? Oh, yeah.
I got a plushie thing. Oh, I don't want you koala plushie, but I'll give you this. What? No, it's the same video. Guys, I have 4 gems left.
I have 1 gem, guys. Why did you make me play the plushie video? I started. It's okay.
Wow, okay, we didn't need to know that. Let me just display all my plushies. Let's
I'm just gonna say thank you because I don't know if she actually knows what thanks means. Thank you.
put my plushies here. Oh, stay! I don't want to move you. Can go up there too.
Welcome and thank you. You are welcome. Oh my gosh, she's my bestie. I like this person. She is so nice.
What?
Low